Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bow saw that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Bahco 102151 21-inch Ergo Bow Saw. The Bahco 102151 21-inch Ergo is our overall best bow saw, not just because of its unique design that makes it easily slice your materials, but also its durability. Because the bow saw is designed for cutting both wood and lumber, it has become a must-have in every construction site and DIY people's homes. The main selling point of the Bahco 102151 21-inch Ergo Bow Saw is the rugged construction that makes it robust and, therefore, ideal for demanding applications. It is constructed with high-quality steel tubing, which is light but firm to use. We found it very easy to carry around and deploy to make straight cuts. Bahco employed a special high-tensioning system that makes replacing the blade easy. Further, the bow saw's handle is designed with a handguard that helps to keep your hand safe even when working on tough applications. Another premium attribute we liked about this saw is the protection from rust and corrosion. The frame has a high-impact orange enamel coat that does not easily come out. The orange color also makes it easy to spot the bow saw if it falls on green matter. Well, it is hard to find flaws with this bow saw. The only challenge we found with the piece is that it is large, and fitting in a backpack was a challenge. We had to disassemble the saw to easily carry it to the working site. Moving on at number 4, we have the AGAWA Boreal 21 greater than 21-inch folding bow saw. The AGAWA Canyon Boreal 21 is a revolutionary piece that pools durability, flexibility, and compact size in one package. If you are headed to the bush and want a saw that will deliver high-performance cuts, this is the piece to buy. It will help you to effortlessly clear the paths, cut logs, and enjoy every moment in the woods. It has a 21-inch steel blade that makes cutting big logs or felling small trees easy and fun. Further, we found the saw's trapezoidal shape with 3 hinges ideal for diameter cuts. Another selling point of the AGAWA Canyon Boreal 21 is its unique folding design. When you unpack the saw, it automatically snaps into position to give you a firm hand saw in seconds. This design makes the saw very effective for any sort of bushcraft, from camping to trekking. Taking a closer look at the saw, we found that it has a carefully designed blade with rust-free coating and aggressively angled teeth. When it comes to bushcraft, this saw has no rival. At number 3, we have the Fiskars 7029 Bow Saw. Mention the brand Fiskars and it will send construction people, handymen, and bushcraft enthusiasts into a frenzy. The company is built on the pillar of total quality, as demonstrated in this Fiskars 7029 bow saw. Even with its top-rated features, the bow saw is very cheap. The main selling point of the 7029 bow saw is its sturdy construction that makes it a firm tool to work with even on tough tasks. The frame is made using durable steel and the blade with precision ground steel that makes ripping through any type of material such as wood easy. Further, the blade has an anti-rust coating to make it last longer. Another selling point of this bow saw is its versatile tensioning system. The tensioning knob doubles as a handle so that you are assured of a tight blade when cutting green branches or dry wood. Further, changing the blade is also simple and fast. Well, these features are cool and can no doubt qualify this saw for a higher price tag. At number 2, we have the Bahco Bow Saw. So you have a huge project that involves clearing logs, tough branches, and other hardcore cutting? The Bahco Bow Saw number 9 is an all-purpose saw that will make your task easy, fast, and fun. Its features, such as tubular frame and ergonomic handle, have made it an irresistible piece for professionals and DIY people alike. The primary selling point of the bow saw is its hardened steel blade and design that makes it easy to rip both hard and green materials. To make cutting more effective, the blade is firmly held on a lightweight and high-quality steel frame. holding the handle and driving the saw with one hand while the other grabs the log being cut. This saw will slice any log in seconds. Another awesome feature of this saw is its ergonomic handle that makes you extra comfortable even when working on tough projects. The plastic handle is easy to hold and use without worrying about developing blisters. Notably, the adjustable tension system of the saw allows you to regulate the blade length based on the diameter of the log you are cutting. This is one of the reasons why this saw is very effective for different projects, from cutting green logs to dry projects. And finally at number 1, we have the Gerber Freescape Camp Saw. The Gerber Freescape Bow Saw is a unique piece designed for hikers and campers. Its compact design makes it easy to place in a backpack and carry with ease. The main selling point of this saw is its unique folding mechanism. While the bow saw opens to support a standard blade, it easily folds into a compact piece that you can carry on the backpack or sling on the shoulder. You do not need to dismember it to fold. Another feature that makes this bow saw a great piece for camping is its exceptional cutting edge. The blade is made of hardened steel that strikingly holds the edge for a long time, even after cutting tough wood. Well, sharpen the blade once, and you can use it for the entire camping period without re-sharpening.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.